Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can install Houdini Engine plugin, how you can get it for free, and we will need it to use with this generator because this generator is HDA file, Houdini digital asset. It won't work without Houdini. First of all, we will need to go to the sidefx.com site and find Houdini Engine uh, there. Here are the Houdini engine plugins. I will leave the link to the site in the description to this video. Here you can get the Houdini engine for free. You will need to register uh, on the sidefx.com get the to get the license. You should receive the email with instructions. Follow the instructions and download the Houdini installer. And here is important step. After you install the Houdini, go to the Houdini license administrator and find it in the installation folder of the Houdini and run it and go to the file, install licenses and enter here email and password from the sidefx.com site. In the Sci-Fi level builder folder, you will find HDA folder. And here you will find Meet Unity Corridor Generator HDA file. This is a generator made with Houdini. So to use it, we will need to install Houdini plugin uh, in Unity. To do so, we need to go to the Assets, Install Package, Custom Package, and navigate to your installation folder of Houdini. In my case, it's in Program Files, Side Effects, Software, Houdini. Here you will find Engine folder. Open it, and you will see Unity folder. Import this package in your project. After installation of this package, you will see Houdini Engine tab appears on the top of the screen. Press and choose Load HDA file. Navigate to the this folder and choose Corridor Generator. After that, you will see here we've got parameters of the generator. This generator use curves as input to build corridors and rooms. So to feed a curve to this generator, we first need to create one. By default, Unity doesn't have splines or curves, so this functionality is in Houdini engine folder. You will see here a new curve asset. Choose it and let's draw a random curve. Try to keep lines straight. Something like this. Okay, uh, choose our generator. Change input type from Unity Mesh to HDA and choose Add Slot. Here we can drag and drop our curve and you will see generator create dummy geometry. This is the representation of how our corridor will look mm, when we enable assets. To enable assets, we need to go to the Settings tab. Here you will see a bunch of parameters. The most important one is the path to the prefabs folder. Here we've got all the pieces of our um, modular level. So if you change the location of this prefab folder, just match the corresponding string here. When you hit Enable Assets, HDF file will automatically load these prefabs in proper places here. And you can edit the curve in real time, and you will get the newly generated geometry immediately in the screen. So in this way we can build corridors. And as you can see, each corridor is an instance of our prefab. We can manipulate them, move them. As you can see, we don't have ceiling right now. It's because it's easier to create corridors without ceiling, and after you happy with your results, you can just press this checkbox and you will get ceiling. Uh, what else you can do with this generator? For now, we've got only one corridor. This generator can create doors. Mm, so to create door, we need a second curve. This generator will create doors in the places where two corridors intersect with each other. So let me show you how we can do this. We need to create new curve. Try to place curves near the edge of the previous curve, but not intersecting it. For this, let's go to the top view and in the orthographic view, something like this. Let's add new slot and drag and drop our new curve. As you can see, we've got a new plane here. This plane is representing door. And you may notice that this color of was red, pure red, and this is in colored in different colors. The red color represents the prefab wall prefab that have pipes on it. This prefab. And if you see different colors, it's some of these prefabs without pipes. So basically, if you see red color, then this wall will be with pipes. You can control it, moving wall pipes, seat and wall pipes change sliders. As you can see, we've got response right in the viewport, and let's enable assets. And as you can see, these walls have pipes, and we have a door. So, what else we can do with this generator? We can create rooms. To create rooms, we will need another curve. Let's create another. Let's go to the uh, top view and in the orthographic mode, new curve. Let's push this curve to our generator. Let's check that it's loaded properly. Okay, now we need to draw the curve in the zigzag manner. By doing this, we can create room. Something like this. And if you do something wrong, you can always go to the edit mode and move the points until you get the proper result. I, I will fix it a little bit later. Let's just make some big room here. Okay. Well, as you can see, we've got new color here. This color is representing basement in the room. Uh, it's disappear right now, but I will show you how you can get this. The basement is controlled by the these parameters. Let's enable asset. Here's how the basement will look like. And the room, as you can see, is just a corridor with a higher ceiling. And as you may notice, we've got a pipes here. The pipes generated automatically by uh, you can control pipes by moving these sliders, uh, side pipes here. This brownish color represents the pipes, and um, I don't know, yellowish color represents the walls. Um, so you can so by doing this you can create complex structures just drawing curves inside Unity. And this generator can do one more thing for you. If let's draw another room connected to this room. For this, let's disable assets for now. Let's create new curve. And push it to the generator. Something wrong. Um, if you see something going wrong, you can fix it just by moving points. As you may notice, we've got something here already. If you will enable assets right now, you will see the door and the windows. Okay, and the last step you can do with this generator is to enable lighting. It will create light sources for you. Press this button and we've got light sources in our scene. and some of these light sources will be uh, baked and some of them will be mixed. This is was done for sake of the performance. So and right now you can just bake the lighting. Let's disable main light. Uh, let's create light. Let's create reflection probe to cover all this structure. I want this to be something somewhere here, I think. Let's bake it. Let's change our generator to. And one more thing, you can, after you build your uh, corridors and you're happy with the results, um, go to the generator and press Bake Game Object. This button will create a game object from this generator. And now we can hide or delete our generator. We don't need it anymore. We've got this game object with every wall, ceiling, and floor as instance inside it hierarchy. We can now move it, delete it. Okay, let's bake the lighting. Uh, and to bake the lighting, we need to change our structure to static. And now you can see we've got lighting from our light sources. And don't forget to build occlusion cooling. It will greatly increase performance of such structures with a lot of uh, separate pieces. So it's pretty much everything this generator can do. I hope it will help you and it will speed up your workflow. Thank you for watching. Bye.